Getting started with Shopify? Here are 5 essential tips to set up your Shopify store the right way, so you're ready to sell from day one. Start with the Shopify plan that fits your business size. New sellers can go with the basic plan, while larger stores should consider features like advanced reports and staff accounts. Don't overpay. Scale as you grow. Choose a theme that looks great on desktop and mobile. Start with free themes like Dawn or Sense, or explore the theme store for something niche. Always test on phones. Set up key pages early. Before launching, make sure you have the basics: home, product, about, contact, FAQ, and policies. These build trust and help with SEO. Shopify makes it easy to add and edit pages. Before launching, make sure you have the basics: home, product, about, contact, FAQ, and policies. These build trust and help with SEO. Shopify makes it easy to add and edit pages.
Group products into collections, like new arrivals or summer sale. This helps customers find what they want fast and improves navigation.
Don't skip this. Enable Shopify payments, set up shipping zones and rates, and test checkout. You can't make money if no one can pay you. A strong setup lays the foundation for a profitable store. Take your time, set it up right, and start selling with confidence.